Hi everyone! Today we're going to find unknown angle measures. This is going to feel like a little bit of a review for you because we've done some of this work so far this year. We've looked at angles that had a measurement, and then there was a measurement of another angle that was missing, and we used the measurement of one angle to figure out the measurement of the other. That's what we're going to do today. And there are a couple of other things you need to hold in your mind when you do this work today. One thing is you want to hold in your mind different benchmark angle measurements. So for example, here's a circle, and I know that the measurement of a circle is 360 degrees. Here's the edge of a table. It forms a right angle. I know a right angle is 90 degrees. Here's a straight line. I know that a straight line, a straight angle, is 180 degrees. So when I know the measurements of different benchmark angles, it helps me figure out the measurement of an angle that is unknown. So let's look and see so you can understand what I'm talking about. This angle here, it's a reflex angle. It's 210 degrees. A reflex angle is an angle that's greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. If I know that this angle is 210 degrees, and I know that a circle is 360 degrees, then this angle here must measure 210 degrees minus 360 degrees. This angle here, angle P, must be 150 degrees. Let's look at number 3. This angle here is 90 degrees. This little angle here is 3 degrees. What would the measurement of angle W be? Well, if I know that the larger angle is 90 and this smaller angle is 3, the measurement of angle W must be 90 degrees minus 3 degrees. So when you're looking to find the measurement of unknown angles, think about benchmark angles. Think about right angles, circles, and straight lines. This will help you figure out when a smaller angle is measured and another angle is missing, how you can use all of that information to figure out the measurement of an unknown angle.